है ना मैच हो रहा है।
Increase volume. Yes, Amina. Yeah, tell me.
From where did we have to find a question and an answer? From our question sheet?
From anywhere. Whatever we have done in the class.
Ma'am, no, for the classmate we can find from anywhere, right? Question.
Anywhere, yeah.
And chapter.
Chapter, these two chapters only.
Okay.
And ma'am, the one that you will ask is from where?
Which one?
The question that you will ask, that we have to find, like the answer for that. You're gonna ask a question from the question sheet only.
No, I'll ask any question. Whatever we have done in the class, like we did revision also, na, so many questions. Then when we study, so same thing, whatever we have studied, those questions, any one question I'll ask. Okay, is it clear? Did you find any difficulty in solving the assessment paper? Anyone? Was it difficult?
No.
It was done, everything was done in the class, right? Did you find anything difficult, Amina? Farhana?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, it was very easy.
Yeah, it was you were able to understand, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so all of you are ready with your questions? Let everyone come. See, what you have to do, I'll just call your names and you will ask question to your friend, other person, and then you have to say whether the answer is correct or not, and then you will give a score out of 5. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear on the basis of your partner's answer whether it is correct or not? And then she or he will ask the question to you, and then that person will score your marks. Is that clear to you? Out of 5. Yes? Okay. Can we start now? Muneeb, you have joined? Yes, Akleen, I have not checked your science paper. I have seen, I had a glance through your answers, all your answers. I think everyone has done well. Did you need to take help of reference? Anyone has to take help of reference, or you did on your own, everyone? Because the questions were very simple. You did on your own?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Yeah, Muazzam, Mudabbir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so we'll start with Amina. Just switch on your video. So first question, Amina, you will ask to Farhana. Okay. So Amina and Farhana. So Amina, what is your question to Farhana?
Yeah. Ma'am, my question is that what does bile do and what type of molecules does it break?
Okay. Yes, Farhana.
Bile breaks down proteins. It is produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder.
Okay, Amina. Is it correct?
Ma'am, it breaks down fats into fatty acids.
Yes. So how much you will give to Farhana? Out of 5?
Her first point was right, so I'll give her 1.
1 out of 5?
Yes. Out of 5 you have to give.
Yeah, out of 5.
Then I'll give her 3.
Okay.
Ma'am, it can be in circulatory system also, right? The question.
Yes, from circulatory or digestive. Yeah, Farhana. What's your question to Amina?
What is the function of hydrochloric acid?
Yes, Amina.
I think that it helps in digestion.
Are you satisfied with the answer, Farhana?
Ma'am, the answer is actually it makes pepsin enzyme effective and it is in the stomach. So, ma'am, I'll give her 3 for that.
Okay.
She gave some of it, so that's very good.
You have to be honest, okay? It's not like
Yeah, but it helps in digestive system. Right?
it helps in digestion, but that is not the. See, if she writes that thing in exam, then she won't get marks. Okay, so it helps in digestion. That is correct. But how does it help in digestion? That you have to mention. Okay, okay. So my question to Amina is, Amina, name 4 component of blood.
Ma'am, do you mean the blood or blood vessels?
Only blood.
The
Okay, how many components are there?
I 4.
4 components. Yes. Then, do you remember?
Forgot, ma'am.
Okay. No problem. Farhana, can you tell me what are the 4 components of blood?
Plasma, platelets, WBCs, and RBCs.
Good. Okay. So next one is Safia and Humaira. So Safia, what is your question to Humaira? Unmute Safia.
What is the other name of circulatory system?
Okay. Yeah, Humaira. Circulate.
Safia, can you repeat the question again?
What is the other name of the circulatory system?
Okay. Can you answer, Humaira? Okay, Safia, you answer.
Cardiovascular system.
Okay, fine. So how many marks you will give to Humaira?
Ma'am, I don't know how much to give. But she didn't give any answer.
Okay, I'll ask 2 questions to Humaira. Okay. Okay, Humaira, you ask Safia a question.
Where is trypsin enzyme present?
Stomach.
Is it correct? Where is
In the pancreas.
Ma'am, pancreas is in the stomach.
Trypsin is in stomach. Okay. Okay, so how many marks you will give Safia to Safia? Okay, I'm giving you both one question. Okay, now answer. What is the function of red blood cells, Humaira?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
What is the function of red blood cell? Is it clear? What does it do? Red blood cells? It is there in blood, right? Why it is red in color? What does it do?
Hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin is red in color, but what does hemoglobin do?
Ma'am,
Yes, Safia, you answer.
red blood cells carry oxygen from our lungs.
Very good. From lungs, it transfers oxygen from lungs to all over the parts of the body. This is the correct answer. Yes. Okay. Muazzam and Abdullah. Muazzam, what is your question?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of double circulation and state 1 advantage of double circulation?
Okay. Yeah. Yes, Abdullah. Yes, Abdullah. It's muted.
Yes, the question is for me, right?
Yeah.
You asked what is the meaning of double circulation.
And what is the advantage, right?
Oh, okay. So basically, there are 2 questions.
Okay, you can answer one also.
Only one.
You
Okay.
can answer. you want to answer both, you can answer both. If you want to answer one, you can answer.
It is the system which transports the blood in
It is double. So what does it mean? Double means double
Two.
circulation. Two. So what does it mean?
two circulations, the systemic and the pulmonary circulation.
Correct. Then
Yeah,
what
the,
will you answer whether it is correct or not? I'm not going to answer. Yeah, Abdullah.
and then, yeah, this is all about these are the two circulations.
Okay, Muazzam. Is it correct? What was your question?
Yes, ma'am, it is correct.
Can you complete the answer? What was your question?
Ma'am, sorry, I couldn't hear you. My internet connection is unstable. Can you repeat what you said?
I said, what was your question? And then you answer. Then you give your answer.
Ma'am, my question was, what is the meaning of double circulation? The thing Abdullah said was correct. There are two circuits, systolic and diastolic. And in this circulation, the blood reaches the heart twice.
Correct. So what was your second part of the question? This was the second part. What happens in double circulation, right?
No, ma'am, the second part was state one advantage.
One advantage. So what is one advantage of double circulation?
Ma'am, one advantage of double circulation is high blood pressure. The blood pressure increases and it reaches the parts of the body faster.
Very good. Yes. Okay. So what is your, how many marks you will give out of 5 to Abdullah?
Ma'am, he answered it correctly. He should get 5.
Okay. Okay. What's your question, Abdullah, to Muazzam?
What separates the two ventricles?
Septum.
Which septum?
Abdullah? Is it correct, Abdullah?
I mean the name of the septum.
Yeah.
You should give that, huh? Okay. Okay, you give the answer.
Interventricular septum.
Septum is also correct?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so how many marks you will give to Muazzam?
5. The answer was correct.
Yeah. Okay, so my question is to Muazzam, what role does pancreas play in digestion?
Ma'am, pancreas secrete trypsin juice which acts in the small intestine, and the food doesn't reach the pancreas.
Yeah, correct. So pancreas secretes pancreatic juice, you can say, or enzymes. Okay, pepsin is so many enzymes are there. Trypsin is there, then pancreatic juices are there. So you will just say the pancreatic enzymes are secreted and it helps in digestion. Okay, so that is correct. Abdullah, why do the ventricles have thicker walls than atria?
Ma'am, because they have to pump more blood. I mean, to more part of the, they have to pump more far, because the atriums are only giving the blood to the ventricles, a small distance.
Yes. And ventricles
Ventricles are giving pump blood to the whole body.
longer distance. Yeah.
Yes, to the longer distance.
Correct. Okay. Ahmad, can you switch on your video?
Yes.
Please switch on your video. And Sakleh too also. Yeah, Ahmad and Sakleh, what are your questions?
Can I say?
Yeah, Sakleh.
What is the function of lungs?
To exchange carbon dioxide and oxygen.
Are you satisfied,
Can you
Sakleh?
repeat?
Just make a proper sentence, Ahmad.
They take carbon dioxide from the blood and give oxygen to the blood.
Yes, ma'am, correct.
Okay, what is your question to, okay, how many marks you will give, Sakleh? To Ahmad? 5? Right? Okay. Yeah, Ahmad, what's your question?
What does the gallbladder store?
Sorry?
What does the gallbladder store? What's inside the gallbladder?
You're not audible.
What does the gallbladder store, Sakleen?
Bile.
Is it correct, Amal?
Yes.
Okay. So what's your marks?
I'll give him 5.
Okay. So my question to Ahmed is, why is septum important?
It does not let oxygenated and deoxygenated blood mix.
Correct. Okay. Sakleen, what is the function of hydrochloric acid in stomach?
Ma'am, can I repeat?
Yes, Sakleen, you want me to repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the function of hydrochloric acid in the stomach?
Ma'am, it breaks down food.
Yeah? I can't hear Sakleen. What is the answer?
It breaks down food.
It does not break down food. There is something you're missing. Someone can answer? What is the function of HCl in stomach?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Farhana?
Ma'am, it makes the pepsin enzyme effective.
Correct. Because pepsin can act only in acidic. That is why HCl is there in the stomach, so that pepsin can break down protein. And pepsin works on protein, right? Digestion of protein. Okay, Munib and Mudabbir. Okay, Mudabbir, what is your question for Munib? Munib, switch on your camera.
What type of blood vessels have valves?
Can you repeat?
What type of blood vessels have valves?
First think about the blood vessels and then think which one will have valve.
I don't remember, ma'am.
Okay, okay, Mudabbir, you give the answer.
And veins.
Yes, veins. See, 3 types of blood vessels are there. Okay, arteries, capillaries, and veins. Arteries, they carry, because they carry oxygenated blood from the heart, so that is at higher pressure. Veins, they have valves, so that no backflow of deoxygenated blood takes. Understood? So always remember, veins have valves. Okay? Okay, Muni, what is your question to Mudabbir?
Ma'am, when we breathe, so that you said when we breathe the chest goes in. So is that correct or it is true or false? Means like when we breathe, the air goes like the. Ma'am, you explained that question, so I'm not.
That is respiration, Muni. Also, I didn't give you respiration topic. Huh? You have to ask from circulatory system, or okay, I'll give you both one question. Okay. Okay, Mudabbir, just answer. Give 2 places in the digestive system where amylase is secreted.
And mouth and
Where most of the enzymes are secreted.
mouth and small intestine.
Mouth and pancreas. Small intestine enzymes are not secreted. They are passed over to small intestine. Okay. Munib, your question is, what is the function of mouth in digestion?
Ma'am, the saliva, the hard food is there. Because of the saliva, the hard food gets softened, and then it goes down from.
So just think, what is the function of mouth? See, when you eat food, what your mouth does, that is the function. Now, function means what it does.
We chew and from the saliva, the hard food gets softened.
From the saliva, what happens?
Ma'am, the hard food that is there, because of the saliva, it gets softened.
Ma'am,
Softened? Yes, Safia.
the mouth allows us to digest food inside our body.
That is correct. All the body
Means
organs on the
it starts from the mouth, the digestion, and
Correct.
then it goes to the esophagus, and then like on it keeps on going.
Correct. That is also correct. But what Munib said, the mouth helps in breaking down of food particles into simpler form or smaller form. Now, why it happens? Because of the saliva present in the
mouth.
Because of the saliva present in the mouth, it helps in breaking down and digestion of carbohydrates takes place in mouth. Okay, is it clear, everyone? So what will be your scores, Munib and Mudabbir? How much you will give to each other?
Ma'am, he didn't answer.
He didn't answer and he didn't ask also. Okay, so how much you will give?
I cannot give him marks.
Okay, I'll give. Okay. Okay. So in the question that I gave you, the assessment paper, was there any difficulty? Do you want to discuss the paper?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a doubt.
Yes,
ma'am. In the question paper, question number 2, and the second question, there was a diagram of the digestive system. There was something above the
Okay, I'm just sharing the paper. I'm just sharing. We'll discuss the answers so that your doubts are clear. Okay. Okay. The question paper is visible to you all?
Yes.
Yes.
So which type of food is not digested before being absorbed by the body?
A.
Carbohydrates.
Carbohydrate.
Is not digested.
Ma'am, it is D, water.
Ma'am,
Water.
Ma'am, water. Ma'am, water.
Water.
D, water.
Because water is not digested. It just gets absorbed. I told you water and minerals. These are the two things which do not get digested.
So, ma'am, the
Direct-
carbohydrate also doesn't get digested, no, ma'am.
Carbohydrate is digested. Carbohydrate, fat and protein. The whole digestive system.
Ma'am, I can't remember what did I write in my sheet.
Even I have not seen all answers yet. This first part I have not checked. But the answer is which type of food is not digested? Water. Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is very low, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
X was not affected by enzymes until it reached the small intestine. So what was in food X?
Starch.
D.
D.
You know what is starch? Starch is carbohydrate only.
Ma'am, fat.
Ma'am, mineral iron.
Ma'am, I think mineral iron.
No, it is
Yes,
fat.
ma'am.
The fat get digested in the small intestine. Na? Carbohydrate and other things, mineral is vitamins only. Protein also get digested.
Ma'am, I didn't understand only.
See, protein get digested in stomach. Starch, carbohydrate get digested in mouth. And fat get digested in small intestine. In small intestine, carbohydrate is also digested, protein is also digested, and fat is also digested. But it is said digestion starts in small intestine. For fat only, digestion starts in small intestine. Carbohydrate gets digestion of carbohydrate takes place in mouth also, and protein digestion takes place in stomach also. Is it clear, everyone?
Ma'am, mineral.
Mineral is vitamin only. Vitamin, mineral, these do not get digested. Okay.
The answer is fat, na ma'am.
Yes, fat. What is the function of anus?
Excretion.
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 Digestion.
Excretion.
As ma'am, this digestion, ma'am.
It is egestion. See,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
takes place through lungs also, through skin also. Excretion is a process through which body waste is removed. Then also body waste is being removed, but through anus when it is removed, it is called as egestion. I have used this word number of times that food is undigested food is ejected out through anus. So that is egestion. Okay. The diagram show a double circulatory system. Which vessel carry oxygenated blood?
1 and 4.
And
1 and 4.
Ma'am, 2 and 4. 2 and 3.
And 2.
2 and 4.
Ma'am, is it 2 and 3?
This is heart,
4.
lungs. So from lungs, oxygenated blood will come, and from heart, oxygenated blood will go to rest of the body.
2 and 4, ma'am.
It is 2 and 4, na? Just see the arrows. This is lungs. So from lungs to heart, oxygenated blood goes. From heart to body, oxygenated blood goes, right? And this is deoxygenated. 3 and 1 is deoxygenated. The answer is 2 and 4, okay? Got it wrong?
No, correct. 2 and 4.
When exercising, heart pumps more frequently with greater force. What will be the answer? The result, this result.
Ma'am, B. B, ma'am, B.
Yes, ma'am. The blood
1 and
increase
4.
blood flow
Blood
through the blood
1
vessels.
and 4.
Increase blood vessels, increase
Blood flow.
more oxygen.
Yeah. I got 1 and 4, ma'am. B.
Okay, Umaira, this question you were asking.
Yes, ma'am.
The diagram shows the alimentary canal in which structure most glucose absorbed.
कहाँ गया?
So this is C. Small intestine.
Correct.
Ma'am, it's small intestine.
कहाँ गया?
C is small intestine. Okay, so you will answer C. By which process the food moves through the alimentary canal?
Peristalsis.
Yes, peristalsis. B. Which two substances does the blood transport away from body cells?
Carbon dioxide
Carbon
and
dioxide.
Carbon dioxide
TB.
and oxygen.
B.
Carbon dioxide and waste away from body
Did
cells.
I right?
B. Which part of the blood help fight off disease and
A.
heal disease?
A.
A. A.
Platelet. White blood cell and platelets.
Platelets. Yes. Because platelets help in clotting. Which blood vessel has a high carbon dioxide concentration, low oxygen concentration, and a high blood pressure?
Pulmonary vein. B. Pulmonary artery.
Pulmonary artery.
Pulmonary artery.
High carbon dioxide is in pulmonary artery, okay? And it is coming high blood pressure because it is coming from heart. So that is why high blood pressure. Is it clear? So it is pulmonary artery. Explain the role of mechanical digestion. So that anyone can explain what is the role of mechanical digestion. Mechanical means through chewing through your mouth.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
Ma'am, break down food into smaller
the
pieces.
food goes into the mouth
correct.
and
Increases
crushed by the teeth
the correct.
and does not disturb the chemical reaction.
Correct. And increases the surface area so that it gets easier for the enzymes to act on it. Okay. So that is the rule. Name the structures labeled GHOM. What is G?
Esophagus.
Aorta.
Esophagus.
Yeah,
Esophagus.
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 What is
Ma'am,
Diaphragm.
H is diaphragm.
Diaphragm.
diaphragm? Correct. Then what is it? O?
Gallbladder.
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 Large
intestine.
Large intestine.
Yes, large intestine. What is the function of mouth? Similar. What is the function of mouth? Just now I asked, so I'm not repeating it. What is the function of mouth?
It breaks down food.
Chew food.
Break down
and
in
breaks
food.
carbohydrates.
Breaks down food into smaller particles so that it increases the surface area of food particle and makes easier for enzymes to act on it. Second one, amylase is present in the mouth. That is also function of mouth, right?
Food becomes a soft bolus.
Bolus, it happens in stomach, not in
And
mouth.
what type of molecule does it break down? Fatty acid, na?
Fatty acids.
Amylase.
Fats is broken down into fatty acid.
Yeah.
What is
While
bile?
it's present in liver, means gallbladder, and
What does bile do?
while it's present in gallbladder and
the gallbladder.
Ma'am, it breaks down fats into fatty acids.
It breaks down fat into fatty
Fatty
acids.
acids.
Also, two functions are there. Somebody has written, I have seen in someone's notebook. You remember. What does bile do? Two processes are there. See, acidic food coming from the stomach. So bile makes it, bile neutralizes the acidity of the acidic food coming from the stomach. You have written it, but you yourself have forgotten it. Somebody has written, I have seen it in someone's notebook. Okay, so what type of molecule does it break down?
Fats.
Okay, what was the question here? Structure that separates oxygenated and deoxygenated
Septum.
Septum.
septum, and what is it here labeled as?
F.
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 That prevents
I wrote mitral wall.
mitral wall
Ma'am,
is
Atrioventricular valves. Atrioventricular valves.
structure that prevent backflow of blood.
Atrioventricular wall.
Atrioventricular valves.
You can
Ma'am,
write
I have just written wall. Ma'am, I have written mitral wall.
Ma'am.
Tricuspid valve and mitral valve.
mitral valve is also correct, and tricuspid valve also. If you write, that is also.
Ma'am, I have only
Ma'am.
written wall.
I wrote both.
Ma'am, I wrote atrioventricular valves.
Also correct. Atrioventricular valve is
Ma'am, I
correct.
only wrote wall.
Tricuspid valve is correct, but only valve is not correct because so many valves are there. So which valve, which valve prevents the backflow of blood from ventricle to atrium? So you have to name the valve. Okay. There are valves present in vein also. What is the name given here? What name you will write? What letter?
D.
D and H.
D.
Two are there, na? D and
H.
G.
H, no, ma'am.
G,
Only
G.
D is there. No, G is pointing somewhere else.
so yeah.
H also.
Only H. No, only D. Only D.
Vena cava. Okay. Very good. Next question done. Blood vessel that carries deoxygenated blood.
Pulmonary artery.
Pulmonary artery.
Pulmonary artery.
That carries deoxygenated blood here. Just see where is it.
Ventricle. Right.
B.
Ma'am, it's inferior vena cava, right?
Carry deoxygenated blood is also, yeah, that is also correct because vena cava also carries deoxygenated blood.
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, right atrium.
Pulmonary artery also carries deoxygenated blood. So if you are writing B, if you are writing both, that is also correct. So B, pulmonary artery, or vena cava is labeled over here. Yes, it is labeled. So you can write H and vena cava also, inferior vena cava also. That is also correct. Is it clear?
Right.
Okay, what is the next one?
Pulmonary.
Structure.
That prevents backflow of blood from the pulmonary
We
artery
did, ma'am.
to right ventricle.
Pulmonary valve.
Pulmonary
valve.
Pulmonary
Pulmonary
valve.
valve.
To right.
Pulmonary valve.
Where is it?
Pulmonary valve. K.
K.
Yes.
K. Pulmonary valve, ma'am.
Ma'am, is semilunar valve correct?
K. K is. That is also correct. SL valve is also correct. Semilunar valve. Okay. Because pulmonary valve and aortic valve comes under semilunar valve, and AV valve means atrioventricular valve में आता है. Ventricular
Ma'am.
valve, tricuspid valve. They come in AV valves.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Over here, the last two, we have to write the both or only one. Left atrium.
Left atrium and left ventricle.
Right atrium.
Chamber of the heart that contains oxygenated blood.
Ma'am, I wrote left atrium. Left atrium.
Left atrium.
Left atrium.
And chamber of the heart that
Ma'am,
contains
ma'am.
Right
Right
atrium.
atrium.
Right atrium.
and right ventricle. Both. Okay.
J then C. J and C. E, C.
Ma'am, if you only write one, is it okay?
Okay, that is fine. Even one also is fine. If you write, always write chances. How can a heart disease be prevented? It is easy. How can a heart disease be prevented? By following the lifestyle choices.
अरे वो जोर से नहीं हो रही.
Answer. Amina?
Which one, ma'am?
Prevent heart disease by altering the lifestyle choices. 3 points. What things?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
exercising.
daily exercise makes heart muscles strong.
So that is 1 point.
Healthy diet.
Healthy food and drink lots of water. Lose weight. Lose weight because extra weight put pressure on heart muscles.
Lose weight. If you are a thin person, why will you lose weight?
Ma'am.
Right. obesity should not be there. So lose weight is not a point for everyone. If someone is healthy, why should he lose weight? Is it
Ma'am, we
clear?
can write don't consume
Correct.
tobacco.
You have to mention that. See, healthy diet.
Ma'am, or we can write that you should not smoke, and even if the person, like if you're sitting in front of the smoking person, you should not sit because it gets affected. If
Correct.
you sit here and he's sitting here really closely, so that thing, the smoke passes through you also, and you also inhale with him. So that's why you should not sit next to a person who's smoking.
Yeah. So
And otherwise, you should stop him.
exercising, then healthy diet.
Ma'am, even if you can stop him, you should do that.
Yes, you should.
Yeah,
Not let any person smoke in front of you, and you should tell that person
That don't do that.
okay.
It's really bad
Yes.
for the
So,
environment.
and avoid stress also. That is
Yes.
also
A
avoiding
big
stress.
good.
That is also that also leads to heart problem. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. 3 organs of the digestive system that food does not pass through are.
Ma'am, liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. Gallbladder.
Yeah.
Yes.
Liver,
Your
pancreas, and
pancreas and
gallbladder.
gallbladder.
The heart chamber with the thickest muscular wall. There are 4 heart
right
chambers.
ventricle.
ventricle.
Right
Left
ventricle.
ventricle.
Right ventricle.
Right.
Right.
Left
Left ventricle. Left
Ventricle.
ma'am.
I don't remember
Left
what
ventricle.
Ma'am, it's left ventricle.
Or,
Yes, ma'am, it's left.
Left ventricle.
left.
left ventricle, because left ventricle transports, pushes, pumps the blood through all over the body. So that is
Yes.
why left
Ma'am,
ventricle.
can I say the third one?
Yes, bile from the liver is stored in.
Gallbladder.
Yes. Dash are tiny blood vessels that carry blood to and from almost all body cells and connect arteries and veins.
Capillaries.
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 Capillaries, okay, tiny blood vessels. The only artery which carries
Pulmonary artery.
Pulmonary artery.
Artery.
and which vein carries oxygenated blood?
Pulmonary vein.
Aorta.
Pulmonary vein.
Pulmonary vein.
Pulmonary veins.
Okay. Oxygenated blood. And which main artery from the heart carries oxygenated
Aorta.
blood?
Aorta.
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 In the following, the organ of our body where blood gets oxygenated.
Lung.
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 Lungs.
Lungs.
Yeah, why did you write 4-line answer?
What, ma'am?
Put 4-line answer in this. Name the following. The organ of our body where blood gets oxygenated is what? You wrote everything. You have to write lungs. Only lungs. No need to write 2-line answer. Okay? You don't have to write the whole process. You just write at lungs. Okay? Only one organ you have to name. Is it clear, Safia?
Yes.
The organ where pepsin is secreted.
And ma'am, I have forgotten it.
Stomach.
Yes, stomach.
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 I can't hear.
Stomach.
Stomach.
Stomach, yes. The organ where pepsin is secreted is stomach. Okay. Trypsin is secreted in. Where is trypsin secreted?
Pancreas.
Pancreas.
Trypsin secreted in pancreas. Trypsin acts on what? Carbohydrate, fat, or protein?
Carbohydrate.
Protein. Protein.
Protein.
Protein, yes, Umera. Trypsin also acts on protein. Pepsin also acts on protein.
Protein, and the other one also acts on protein.
No. See, pepsin,
Small.
trypsin both act on protein. But what is the difference? What is the difference, Umera?
Pepsin is secreted in stomach, and the trypsin is secreted in pancreas.
Correct. So pepsin acts in stomach and trypsin acts in small intestine. Pancreas where food does not enter. So trypsin is produced in pancreas but acts in small intestine.
Yes.
Okay. So the small finger-like structure that line the intestine.
Villi.
Villi.
What is the
Villi.
what is the function of villi, Farhana?
Ma'am, it increases the surface area and it absorbs water.
No, it absorbs everything, na. In small intestine, everything is absorbed: fat, carbohydrate, and
Ma'am, the last one, can I say?
No, first let me explain this. Villi means the small finger-like structures. What is the role of villi in this small intestine is it increases the surface area so that more surface area, so more absorption takes place. Is it clear? So that is why the finger-like projections are there in the intestine to increase the rate of absorption of fat, carbohydrate, and protein into the blood. Okay, next. Who will answer? Amina, the main artery that carries oxygenated blood away from the heart.
Aorta. Pulmonary vein.
Aorta. See, oxygenated blood, main artery that carries oxygenated blood away from the heart. It is
Aorta.
the heart.
Aorta.
So, aorta. Okay.
Ma'am, the fluid in your mouth, can I say, ma'am?
Saliva.
Saliva.
Saliva. Fluid in your mouth is saliva. What does it do? Safia, what does it do?
It helps in.
It helps food get digested in your body.
No, it absorbs the carbohydrate.
Be specific. It
Absorbs carbohydrate. It's the enzyme amylase.
It acts on, yes, fluid in your mouth is saliva. Saliva secretes what? Salivary
Amylase. Amylase.
And what does it do? It acts on carbohydrate and helps in absorption of carbohydrate. Whenever you say, Safia, helps in digestion, you have to be specific. Helps in digestion of which part of food? Carbohydrate, okay? Pepsin helps in digestion of protein part of food. Do you know how protein is broken down? Protein is a complex structure. It gets broken into simpler structure. And that simpler structure is called as amino acid. Okay? Amino acid joined together.
What amino?
Amino acid.
Acid na ma'am?
Yes. Amino acid. So protein का simpler form है amino acid, which is absorbed in blood. Fat का simpler form है fatty acid. Okay? And carbohydrate का glucose. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So complex form है carbohydrate and starch broken down into glucose. Complex form है fat broken down into fatty acids, and complex form is protein which is broken down into amino acids. Is it clear? कौन सा complex structure है and कौन सा simpler है? And these things are getting absorbed in the blood. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Even if you have any doubt in these two chapters, कुछ भी problem है, you can ask, because we have already completed. You should know everything.
I guess for the first answer I wrote it wrong. I wrote carbohydrate first.
Carbohydrate. Many of you have written starch in this. I have seen this.
Yeah.
Here also. Egestion and excretion is using. Egestion and okay. So egestion and excretion is confusing, but excretion is a vast term. It is a process.
Ma'am, the second one is fat, na ma'am?
Yes. Second one is fat. Because in fat, digestion starts in intestine only, whereas other digestion like protein starts in stomach and starts in mouth. So you cannot you say fat will start here in intestine. Okay, I was telling you, anybody is clear with egestion and excretion? Is it clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Then explain.
Yeah.
What is the difference between egestion and see?
You're asking me, ma'am.
Ma'am, you said excretion has many ways, right? Excretion can come in the form of sweat also.
And egestion
is only comes out from the anus.
At lungs also exhalation is excretion is taking place because you are exhaling carbon dioxide, right? Sweating is also excretion. Removing carbon dioxide from the body through exhaling is also excretion. And removal of waste is also excretion. But what is egestion? Egestion is removal of undigested waste through anus is egestion. So always remember, in digestive system, when we are talking about egestion, means it is removal of undigested waste from anus. So whenever anus comes, it is egestion. Okay, type of excretion, but specific is given here, so I will tick mark egestion. Agar egestion is not over here, then you will tick mark excretion. Is it clear? If egestion is not there, then you will tick mark excretion. Otherwise, because anus is mentioned, you will write egestion over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Now you got an idea how many are correct and how many.
Ma'am, the fourth one is 1 and 4, na B, na? Correct?
Why 1
It's
and
2 and 4.
It is 2 and 4. Now say.
Ma'am, and 5 is B, na?
Huh, 5 is B. Okay, is it clear? Everyone, the paper is clear to you all?
Yes.
Okay. So next class, we'll start with our nervous system only. Any doubt is there in these two chapters, you can
No,
ask.
ma'am.
Is it clear? Even if
Yes.
since this assessment was there, so that you can find out your weaknesses. So if you still see that this portion I don't understand, you just go through it, revise it, and understand that topic. If you want help from me, I can explain you again. Okay?
Ma'am, what does mitral valve do? It separates
Yes, it separates. What does it separate?
oxygenated.
No, places, na, two chambers of heart. Mitral valve.
It separates the left atrium and the right one. Right atrium.
Ventricle.
Right ventricles.
Okay. Right,
And
right side atrium ventricle, left side atrium ventricle. That way you have to remember. Left side is always oxygenated, right side is always deoxygenated. Separated by a septum. Septum is important because it prevents mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated. That is also an advantage of double circulatory system also. In double circulatory system also, this mixing is prevented because you have a separate path for oxygenated and deoxygenated. Okay?
yes.
Here, I'll stop sharing.
Yes, tricuspid separates, na? Because after left atrium, tricuspid comes and then ventricle, na? Right ventricle, right?
So left atrium, left में तो you have mitral valve, na? Bicuspid, na? What is it? Tell me.
And after left atrium, tricuspid valve comes and then after that it comes right ventricle, right?
Tricuspid is in right, na? Anybody remembers? Where is tricuspid and where is mitral valve?
Ma'am, tricuspid and mitral valve are the same, no? And then they are in right on the left. No, yes, left atrium or left atrium and right ventricle. They are over there.
Left atrium and right ventricle. Who will explain me clearly? Where is mitral valve present and where is tricuspid valve present? Farhana?
Ma'am, mitral valve is present in the
Ma'am, mitral valve is on the
In the right-
left side and right side is the
Yes.
tricuspid.
Correct. Mitral valve is on the left hand side, means it separates left atrium and left ventricle. And tricuspid valve is on the right hand side. It separates right ventricle and right atrium. Is it clear, Safia?
Yeah.
Huh? Remember right side में tricuspid.
Because I thought it was left atrium, then right tricuspid and then right ventricle.
Don't confuse in right and left क्योंकि picture में it is opposite way. हाँ? In the diagram, left hand side पे तुम्हारा right atrium and right ventricle है, and this side में you have
Left
left
atrium and left ventricle.
reverse है. Same way in left lungs and right lungs also. Because it is inside your body. तो अपने body के हिसाब से it is left and right. Okay? So that's all for today's class. Now see you in the next class and we'll proceed with our next topic. Okay?
Yes.
Bye.